Hello and welcome to another PHP programming tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how you can do inheritance in PHP. What is inheritance? Let me give you a brief overview of what it is. It allows one class to become a parent class and the other class to become a child class. Child class can inherit all the non-private entities from the parent and use them as if it owns them. So this relationship could go single level or multi-level. In this example, I've only used a single level inheritance. I'm also going to use a multi-level inheritance in one of the examples, and I'll tell you how it looks like. So here I have a class called car, which I'm planning on using as a parent class. It has one property called model, which I have declared as protected, because protected entities can only be seen by the children of the class. Public entities are available for everybody, and the private is available for no one outside of the current class. The constructor is exactly the same way as I taught you in the previous tutorials, that this is a magic method. It automatically adopts to the class in which it is written. I have a bunch of setters and getters for this particular method, this particular property, and then towards the bottom I have an auxiliary function speak. It simply returns a value back to the caller saying beep, I am this. And it simply returns the value for the model. That's all it does. Now, let's look at the child class. The child class I have is called sports car. In the child class called sports car, I have one private property called style, which stores the value fast and furious. I have a magic constructor, which simply displays the name of the class was initiated. I have a method called drive with style. Drive with style refers to a property model. Where did I declare this property? This is actually coming from the parent. Since it's protected, the child can use it as if it owns it. And the other property that I have in the child is this style. The style is a property that is locally defined, and model is a property that's coming from the parent. So child can refer to the property coming from the parent with the this reference, and also can refer to the local property with the this reference. They both will be treated no different in the output. So it can simply display drive a this model, and then it'll italicize the style. Okay, now the speak method I have over here says I can be dangerous. Now, if you may remember, parent also has a speak method. Child also has a speak method. This is called overriding. This concept is called overriding, because what overriding does, when a child object calls the speak method, the child's speak will run, the parent's speak will never be visited. So I'm going to teach you in the next tutorial how to still be able to call the parent's method from the child. So right now, when the speak gets called by the child instance, as you can see down here, I have a couple of sports cars. Sports car 1, sports cars 2. Sports car 1 makes a call to set model. Okay, where's set model defined? It's actually in the parent. So it can call the parent's method, no problem, because it has inherited them. Similarly, it can echo drive it with style, which is coming from the local. And then it can call speak. Now this line speak, as you can see on line 49, this line actually refers to only the speak in the child. So when I run this program, I will going to get an output where I pass the model to be Mercedes-Benz, and the style, I have not given any value, so it's actually defaults to fast and furious. So therefore, the only output we're going to be coming out of drive with style will going to be drive a Mercedes-Benz, and in italics it will going to say this message, fast and furious. And then when I call the speak, all I will see is I can be dangerous. I will never be able to see beep, I am a Mercedes-Benz. I will never see that message the way this program is structured. So this example simply tells you how you can create an instance of a child and which can call the methods from the parent and also its local class, and how you can override a method in the parent. So these are some of the things that we have learned in this tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to call the methods that you have overridden. Thank you for watching. Have a great one.